Bringing dead batteries back to life is simple. New battery reconditioning course. Popular battery reconditioning course now available. Bring old batteries back to life again. Save money and buy less new batteries. People all over the world are already using the easy battery reconditioning method. Learn how to purchase old batteries, recondition them, and sell them for a nice profit. The Easy Battery Reconditioning course is the easy-to-follow, step-by-step system to recondition all kinds of old batteries with just simple supplies you probably already have in your home. The course is made up of step-by-step guides that show you how to recondition each type of battery. And each guide is full of pictures and diagrams so you not only read exactly what to do, you see exactly what to do as well. It's like having me and Frank, aka the Battery Man, standing there with you, guiding you every step of the way as you recondition your batteries. And it doesn't matter if you're not technical or don't know the first thing about batteries, because our course is incredibly easy to follow and absolutely anybody can use it. Take a look at what people are saying. I've saved over $400 on batteries. I can't believe how simple your reconditioning steps are. My old, and once dead, car batteries, cell phone battery, drill battery, camera battery and tons of other batteries are all reconditioned and working great again. Since starting your program I've saved over $400 on batteries. Jen Simmons. My car battery was completely dead before I used your methods. I reconditioned my dead car battery a few weeks ago with your program and it's been working perfectly since then. My car battery was completely dead before I used your methods. This just saved me hundreds of dollars on a new battery. Michelle Jensen. This already saved me $120 on a car battery. When my car battery died, I decided to try out the easy battery reconditioning method instead of buying a new, expensive battery. And in just 25 minutes, I reconditioned the battery and it works fantastic again. This already saved me $120 on a car battery. I can't wait to try this on other batteries now. Jeff Dobbins. Thank you for watching. Please consider to subscribe and like. For more information, please visit the first link below.